Hey, let's talk about idle resources and specifically VPC endpoints. As usual, for idle resources, the implementation effort will be minimal, which means it will be easy to save. So first, what is an idle VPC endpoint? It's considered as idle when it has no or minimal charge, despite running regularly and still incurring the hourly charge. So you can go directly to the AWS console, to VPC service, then endpoint section. If you check monitoring on, for example, 1 year period here, you can see there is no data available. And that means this VPC endpoint is idle. Warning here, it may be idle for a reason. So for example, for security reason, for if you have a failover strategy, it's normal that some of your VPC endpoints are idle. So please double check with the team before deleting anything. You can also check with AWS billing. So if you go to the build section, select virtual private cloud and then a region. And as usual, if there is no usage charge in a region, then your endpoints are idle. So for example, if you take the first region here, we have 2 lines of what we are being charged. So the first one is a usage charge, even if it's 0 here, so it's minimal, but it's being charged. And the second line is the hourly charge. And on the second region here, we only have hourly charge here. To find them all, you can query the curve with Athena, but you can also check with Trusted Advisor. So you can go on cost optimization section and look for inactive VPC interface endpoint. And to fix it, it's simple. So first be sure it's not used as a failover strategy. And then you simply go to the endpoint section and click Action and Delete. You can also use EC2 Global View to have a view of every network information and use a global search as well.